Akala mo tahimik lang sila. Akala mo harmless, soft-spoken, at laging nasa gilid ng eksena. Pero here's the plot twist. Ang introvert kapag tinignan mo ng mas malalim na layer, parang iceberg. Calm and composed surface pero may lalim, may bigat, at minsan may steel. Ang tinatawag na shadow traits ng introvert ay hindi agad nakikita dahil nasanay silang mag-filter ng emotions at mag-observe bago kumilos. Dahil deep thinkers sila, may tendency siyang mag-overanalyze hanggang sa maging self-critical o kaya mag-build up ng silent resentment. Hindi sila competitive sa salita pero internally, grabe ang mental processing, every tone, every detail, every shift in energy na papansin nila. Minsan, dahil sa sobrang pag-intindi sa iba, nakakalimutan nila ang sarili nilang boundaries at doon pumapasok ang shadow side. Emotional withdrawal, cold detachment o passive resistance. Hindi sila laging confrontational pero kapag napuno, hindi to loud explosion, it's a quiet shutdown. And that silence can be louder than anger. Pero dito pumapasok ang duality nila, the soft and the steel side. Ang soft side ng introvert ay empathy driven. Sila yung safe space, yung marunong makinig ng walang judgment, yung kayang umintindi ng nuance ng feelings na hindi kayang i-articulate ng iba. May emotional depth sila na hindi surface level. Gentle ang approach nila, intentional ang words nila, at sincere ang connections na binubuo nila. Pero ang steel side, that's where it gets powerful. Kapag natutunan ng introvert ang self-awareness at boundaries, nagiging mentally unshakable sila. Their strength is silent but firm. Hindi sila dominant pero grounded. Kapag nag-set sila ng limit, hindi ito dramatic, it's final. Ang shadow traits ng introvert ay hindi kahinaan kundi raw potential energy. Kapag hindi na-manage, nagiging isolation at emotional walls. Pero kapag na-integrate, nagiging wisdom, discernment at quiet power. Ang introvert ay hindi lang mahiyain o tahimik. Sila ay combination ng velvet and blade, soft to touch but forged with inner steel.